Hey there, little guy. What you doing out here? You hurt? What's wrong, little buddy? There we go. I've been getting him to chirp like that. Or it's probably not me. It's probably some other bird, but I feel so bad for him. He flew a little bit earlier, but not very high. Just real low to the ground and not very far. He's sort of just been hopping around, if moving at all. Not entirely sure. I don't know what's wrong with him. I didn't let the dogs near him because I know that Herc would rip him apart and Buddy would probably try to eat him. Paloma would just sniff him because she's friendly. But Lilo would rip him apart. Poor little guy.